What's up, everybody? So I just recorded this look, but here's the thing. I wanted to show, I recently just bought a set of 5 makeup brushes and they were so pretty and I loved it. So I wanted to see if it was really worth it because it was $10. So in this video, I'll be going into a little more detail, specifically with these brushes, and I'll let you know if it's worth to buy bargain brushes. So continue to watch. Please make sure you subscribe, thumbs up, share this video with your friends if you really like it. And this is the makeup look that I just did. I really do love it. It's pretty. You could see close up kind of it. And continue to watch, and I hope you like it. Hello, beautiful. That's the name of this brush collection that I picked up. $10. So super good deal. It includes a powder brush, a foundation brush, a shadow brush, a crease brush, and also a blending brush. And I'm just showing how they all look. They're pretty stiff. I did clean them before I put them on. Anyways, starting off with my brows. You've seen this in my first tutorial, how I do my brows. I use a brown brow powder and I'm just filling them in and of course cleaning them up. I do need them done, which is why they look crazy, but that's what makeup is for, right? Anyways, I'm using that color and I'm putting that all over as my transition color. This is the first brush that I'll be using. It is the blending brush, and this brush is a thumbs up. Really like it. No fallout at all, so that is a plus. Now I'm just putting my concealer on my lid so that it can pretty much define and make the color that I'll be putting on my lid pop. So now we're about to go use the second brush, which is the shadow brush. And the color, that's the color I'm using, a gold color. And I'm just putting that on my lid. Now I'm just using a flat brush that I already had. And I'm using that to cut my crease. The third brush I'm using is called the Crease brush, which was in the package, and that's the color that I'm using to cut my crease, as you see right here. I'm going back in with the first two colors that I used, the one on my lid and the one that I used as the transition color, and I'm just putting on some more shadow. Now I'm doing my liner. You pretty much have to do a winged liner when you do a cut crease. It just looks better. So I did my concealer already, and now I'm just doing my foundation. Fourth brush is the powder brush. This brush is very pretty, but it's so whimsy, so I had to go back in with my regular brush that I normally use to brush in my foundation. Fifth brush, it's called the foundation brush, but I always use those brushes to put on my highlight, my banana powder underneath my eyes, so that brush is a thumbs up. I just wanted to mention that I did add blush and highlighter to this look, but I forgot to add it on camera. But anyways, this is the way that it came out. So that's it. I really hope that this information from this video was helpful. If you do decide to buy bargain brushes, make sure you clean them, one, which is what I always do, but also just have fun with it. It's not like you broke the bank for it. If you get just 3 brushes out of 5 that you really love, you got a great deal. I really do love 4 out of 5 brushes, which you saw in the video, and I gave my reasons why. So I think it's a win-win situation for me. I hope to see you soon in the next video. Bye.